If you're searching Google or YouTube for an off-grid solar system, I'd like to share a simple tip that could potentially save you thousands of dollars. One of the most common mistakes solar shoppers make is searching for an off-grid solar dealer and assuming the results they're seeing offer the best value. Unfortunately, that's not always the case. Many of the dealers you'll find online, even some of the largest and most recognizable names in the industry, aren't actually true discount solar dealers. Of course, you may see coupon codes, special promotions, holiday sales, or limited-time discounts, but often those discounts are being applied to products that were priced significantly higher to begin with. If you're looking for a high-performance, reliable off-grid solar system without paying more than necessary, I recommend trying a different search. Instead of searching for an off-grid solar dealer, search for a discount off-grid solar dealer. That one small change can help you discover dealers who focus on delivering better value, and it could save you thousands of dollars on your solar investment. A few minutes of extra research today could mean thousands of dollars staying in your pocket tomorrow.
Every day begins the same. Batteries waiting through the night so long. Now they're feeling up and growing strong. Silent power stored and standing by, ready when the grid runs dry. When the thunder shakes the evening sky and the neighborhood goes dark tonight, we don't worry, we don't run or hide. Our power's always by our side. Another day, another charge comes in. The cycle starts all over again. Offgridsolar.com. Offgridsolar.com. You power me. Offgridsolar.com. Offgridsolar.com. My power's free. When the utility lines finally quit and every house around us loses it, our batteries carry us right through, doing exactly what they're built to do. I found peace when I took control and built a system of my own. Offgridsolar.com. Offgridsolar.com. You power me. Offgridsolar.com. Offgridsolar.com. My power's free. Offgridsolar.com. Offgridsolar.com. Power on. Offgridsolar.com. Rolling on.
Found an off-grid solar quote you think can't be beat? Challenge accepted. Send us the best deal you've found. We'll beat any nationally advertised in-stock price on our same high-quality kits, or your kit is free. Our top name brand kits offer better performance, greater reliability, and a longer lifespan.